Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, then thanks for coming back. Today we have a Morphe haul. I actually went to Morphe 2 separate times. The second time I went, they were having a big sale, so I grabbed more stuff even though I was only going for brushes, and I didn't even get brushes. But let's get into it. So I grabbed this. This is the 9T Neutral Territory. It was on sale for $6. I actually grabbed this to put into a giveaway. But then when I got home, I was like, this is so beautiful, right? Do I really want to put this in a giveaway, or do I want to keep this? So I'm not going to swatch this because I want y'all to tell me whether or not I should put this one in a giveaway, or I got the Morphe 18T Truth or Bear. This was also on sale for $9. It's regularly $18. I got this for myself because I was like, oh, this is really cheap. Why not? Because it has some really nice shades. I don't want to take the plastic off in case y'all say, yeah, put this into a giveaway. I kind of like the smaller palette better. I don't know if I want to keep this one. So y'all let me know which one you would like to see in the Boxycharm giveaway this month. That giveaway, whenever I get my Boxycharm, that's when that giveaway will be. But it'll be in between one of these palettes. Whichever one y'all say, and I say y'all like there's a lot of people watching. There's like 5 people, and they're all like people I personally know. Whatever y'all say though, that'll be the one that will go into the giveaway. I also got, y'all, I remember watching MANNY, MUA. I think he lived at his parents' house still. Like, you could tell he was like not, he was MANNY MUA, but he was not like he is now. But this palette, I think this palette was also on sale. Yeah, it was $20 on sale for $10. So I got it just because I've been watching him for years and I just like him. So I got this palette. It has some very pretty shades, very nice highlighters. Here are the 2 highlighters. Let's swatch them because I am keeping this for myself. Mama likey. I couldn't swatch anything in the store because of the virus, so I have no clue, but I got this just because, seriously, I love him. I just love him. And I feel like I like all of these colors, and I could take this on a trip with me. I always say that like I'm going on a trip, and I'm not going on a trip, but I like these colors. And it has a gold, and I love golds. And I don't know why, but this magenta, he actually named it the right name. They're screaming to me. I just like him. I just like him. Let me swatch these. Oh, nice. That gold's really nice. So I grabbed that because I genuinely like him, and I'm so happy for everything that he has accomplished. So there's that. Then I got Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm. This was on sale also for $8. It was on sale for $8. What am I gonna do? Pass up a palette for $8? Not happening. I grabbed this. I actually went there for a makeup brush and I found not what I was looking for, so that sucked. But that's this palette. Really pretty. I just grabbed it because it was $8 and I really like these shades. Especially I feel like with the fall coming. These are my kind of shades. Like, you got a little pop of color here, a little pop of color here, but these are like me for a regular day. This look I came up with, not my normal look, okay? I was just playing around. Let's swatch some of these and just see how they look. Let's swatch Boom. It's kind of like a coppery color. Oh, wow. This feels really nice. Like, really nice. And then I kind of like this Alert color right here. Wow, these feel really nice. I don't know why I'm surprised, but I am surprised. I'm running out of real estate over here. Y'all wore my favorite shirt today, just for you. Let's see. Wow, I kind of like it a lot. Okay, well, I see you, Jaclyn Hill. I see you. I also got this palette. This is the STARBLAZER 8Z. I did use this today. I used the highlighters on the inner corner of my eyes, my nose, my cheekbone, and above my lip. I really, really like this one. I think it's $22 for this palette, but very, very nice. No mirror. Doesn't come with a mirror though, so I will say that. But I'm not gonna complain because I have looked at other very high-end palettes with this amount of product and they cost a lot more than 22 bucks. This is the Painted Desert 9D, $12. You can catch this on sale. I think it was on sale for $6 when I got it. But I love these colors. I did create this look with these colors. So I went in with the reddish color and I tried to put it on the inside of my lid, but I just felt like it didn't blend well with the brown that I used on the outer corner. So I tried to put some of that bronze color on top of it and kind of tone down that red, because I'm sure it would look good on some people, but for me, I just felt like that's way out of my norm. So I tried to tone it down just a little bit, but I really liked the orangey color that I used. I liked all of these colors. I feel like they blended really nicely, came up with a nice look. I'm happy with this palette. If you can find it for $6, get it for sure. But even if you can't find it for $6 and it's $12, get it. Comes with a mirror and everything, like very nice. I also got the highlighter stick in Oh Brow Baby. It's like a pencil, kind of creamy for your brow bone. It comes in a set also if you want to get the whole brow set. I didn't. I think just this pencil is like $5, but I could have gone a little bit darker. Like I said, you can't swatch anything in the store, so I just grabbed something and rolled with it. It worked. I kind of smudged it out with a brush. It looks okay, but it's not, I don't know if it's a favorite. Let's just put it that way. The next thing I got was this 3503 Fierce by Nature. This was actually on sale for $16. I don't think it was on sale in the store, but on the website it was on sale. So I asked them if they could price match it. I don't remember. But anyway, this is the palette. There are so many colors in here. There are so many looks you can do. I would say I could probably work with all of these colors, but I don't know if I would necessarily use these two. A few years ago, I definitely would have played with them. I feel like at this point in my life, just probably not going to do that. But I mean, for $16, you really gonna pass this up? Really? Really gonna pass this up for 16 bucks? No, you're not. You're not. This gold in the middle, it is like screaming my name. It's screaming my name. Let's just watch it. Oh, it's very gritty. I was hoping it would be smooth. It's very, very gritty. Let's see. Running out of real estate. Oh, okay. Okay. You're definitely gonna have like glitter all over the place. It feels kind of gritty, like glitter, like you're gonna have glitter after you wash your face and everything. You're gonna have glitter, so let's just say that. So that gold one was Make Believe. I got the name thing on there. This one is Full Blast, this color right here. Let's see how that looks. Oh, wow. Wow, that's nice. Okay, let's just do one of these oranges. Let me see what the name is. Ball of Fire. Okay, let's go with this Ball of Fire. I don't know. It's powdery creamy? I don't know. But let's try it. Yeah, that's some pigmentation, baby. That is some pigmentation. One more palette. This is the 35G Bronze Gold. This was $25. I don't think this one wasn't on sale. I just saw it and was like, you know what? That's my kind of palette. Like, $25. I mean, I just bought, what is this? I just got, this is $50. And then Urban Decay came out with this one, also $50, like one right after another. $100 on two palettes that I'm just sitting here looking at. So $25 for this Morphe palette that I'm for sure going to use all of these colors. Yes, please. Look at this. The only thing that would make this better, but obviously would make it cost more, is if there was a mirror, because this is like perfect for travel. Why do I always say that? Why am I always talking about perfect palettes for traveling and I literally can't go anywhere? I don't know. But these are like all of my colors, like the copper, the golds, the browns, these two blacks. You've got a matte and you have a glitter. It's just, it is like the perfect mix of everything. Let's go ahead and swatch a few. Let me figure out their names here. I'm gonna do Toasted because I feel like this Toasted right here, I feel like this is a color I will commonly use just on like the bottom part of my lid to kind of give me like a little color. Yeah, that's my perfect color right there. Also, what's this one called? Let me see. Tan Up. Tan Up is also like a perfect brown for like my eyelid. Yeah, okay, I like this one better, I think. It's a little bit more deep, kind of more rich. Okay, let's do, yeah, no, I love swatching them damn glittery golds. I can't help it. Summer Vibes. I like the feeling. Where is my, I like have no space, people. Yeah, hello. God, I love that. I can't, like, I don't like paying full price for things, okay? But this one, especially in a store where I know everything always goes on sale all the time, but this one, I just, it called to me. You know, there's some palettes, there's some makeup things, and they just call to you, and you're like, I need that. I need that. This was one of them. Let's swatch one more. Let's do this one. What's the name? Glare. Glare. Feels nice. Let's see. Oh. Well, hello. There's a glare because it's shiny. I'm so corny. My husband was like, do you really talk like that on your videos? And I was like, yes, I do. Yes, I do, bitch. Anyway, let me know what should go into the giveaway. The 18T or the 9T. If you were going to win something, which would you rather win? Probably the bigger one. I don't know. But let me know what y'all think. 18T or 9T. Okay? And thank you so much for all of the love and support. Let me just say that. Let me take a second to say thank you for all of the love and support because, y'all, I've been doing this for a year and things have been getting rough with this virus and not being able to vlog and moving into like this makeup beauty world. But everybody has been so supportive of me and just my whole journey through this YouTube and like Instagram and everything thing. And I just want to say I really, really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Like, you have no clue how excited I get when I tell my husband, like, I have a new subscriber or somebody commented, or even now, I still get, like, I literally texted him this morning and told him, hey, we just broke 1,600 subscribers. That's not 16,000, but it's still 1,600, and that's pretty freaking amazing. So thank you for that. Thank you. Anyway, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye!